Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the heart of North London to explore the top 5 places where Arsenal FC nurtures its football talent. From the hallowed halls of its academy to the electric atmosphere of the Emirates Stadium, we'll uncover the secrets behind Arsenal's success in developing world-class players. Get ready to lace up your boots and join us as we journey through the ranks of Arsenal's youth development system. We'll meet the coaches, visit the training grounds, and discover what it takes to make it as a gunner. Whether you're a die-hard Gooner or just a fan of the beautiful game, this video is your backstage pass to the future of Arsenal Football Club. Tucked away in the London borough of Islington, the Arsenal Academy is no ordinary football school. This is a high-performance center where raw talent is molded into Premier League potential. Imagine walking these halls, the walls adorned with photos of legends like Tony Adams and Cesc Fabregas, a constant reminder of the legacy these young players are striving to uphold. But it's not just about football skills here. The academy focuses on developing the whole player, emphasizing education, nutrition, and mental strength alongside tactical drills and physical conditioning. It's a holistic approach that prepares these young athletes not just for the pitch, but for life beyond the game. Think of it as a greenhouse for future stars. The academy meticulously controls every aspect of a player's development, providing access to top-notch facilities, expert coaching, and a support system that rivals any in the world. From the moment a player steps foot in the academy, they're immersed in the Arsenal philosophy, a fast-paced, attacking style of play that has become synonymous with the club. But beyond tactics, the academy instills a sense of discipline, work ethic, and respect, values that are central to the Arsenal identity. Competition is fierce, with hundreds of aspiring footballers vying for a coveted spot in the academy. Only the most dedicated and talented individuals make it through the rigorous selection process, proving they have what it takes to wear the iconic red and white jersey. Life at the academy is demanding, requiring immense sacrifice and unwavering focus. These young players juggle rigorous training schedules with their academic studies, pushing themselves to the limit both physically and mentally. But the rewards are immeasurable. The academy offers a pathway to professional football, a dream shared by countless young players around the world. And for a select few, that dream becomes a reality right here at the Arsenal Academy. Just a stone's throw from the Emirates Stadium lies Hale End, Arsenal's state-of-the-art training ground and a proving ground for the club's brightest young talents. Picture sprawling green pitches, meticulously maintained and bathed in the warm glow of the London sun. This is where dreams are made and legends are born. Hale End is steeped in history, having witnessed the rise of Arsenal icons like Ashley Cole, Jack Wilshere, and Bukayo Saka. The very air here seems to crackle with the energy of past triumphs and the promise of future glory. Walking through the halls of Hale End, you're greeted by larger-than-life murals depicting Arsenal's greatest moments, a constant source of inspiration for the young players who train here day in and day out. The facilities at Hale End are second to none, featuring cutting-edge gyms, hydrotherapy pools, and analysis rooms where players can dissect their performances with pinpoint accuracy. It's a footballing utopia designed to maximize player potential and push the boundaries of athletic performance. But Hale End is more than just bricks and mortar. It's a breeding ground for a specific kind of player, technically gifted, tactically astute, and possessing an unwavering belief in the Arsenal philosophy. Coaches here act as mentors, nurturing talent and instilling a winning mentality in these young athletes. They understand that success on the pitch starts with a strong foundation built on hard work, dedication, and a relentless pursuit of excellence. The atmosphere at Hale End is one of intense competition, but also unwavering camaraderie. These players are teammates first and foremost, pushing each other to be their best while forging bonds that will last a lifetime. For many young players, Hale End represents a crucial stepping stone on their journey to the first team. It's here that they hone their skills, develop their tactical awareness, and prove they have what it takes to compete at the highest level. Chapter 3. London Colney, where youth meets experience. Nestled in the Hertfordshire countryside, London Colney is Arsenal's central hub, where future stars train alongside established players. Imagine the buzz as young hopefuls share the pitch with their idols, learning from the best. London Colney embodies Arsenal's philosophy of integration, where academy prospects can observe and learn from seasoned professionals. This blend of youth and experience makes Arsenal's talent development system special. The facilities are world-class, featuring state-of-the-art gyms and training pitches. London Colney is a melting pot of cultures and footballing philosophies. The atmosphere is one of professionalism, intensity, and a shared commitment to excellence. For young players, training alongside stars is invaluable, learning what it takes to compete at the highest level. It's a symbiotic relationship, fostering continuous improvement and collective ambition. Chapter 4: Emirates Stadium. The dream destination. The Emirates Stadium, Arsenal's home ground, isn't just a football stadium. It's a cathedral of dreams, a place where young players envision themselves scoring the winning goal in front of a sea of passionate gooners. The roar of the crowd, the smell of the freshly cut grass, the electric atmosphere, it's enough to send shivers down the spine of even the most seasoned professional. For Arsenal's young hopefuls, stepping onto the hallowed turf of the Emirates is a rite of passage, a tangible sign that they're on the cusp of achieving their dreams. It's a moment etched in their memories, fueling their desire to one day call this iconic stadium their home. Imagine the nervous excitement of a young player's first time walking out of the tunnel and into the blinding lights of the Emirates, the weight of expectation from thousands of expectant fans. It's a moment that separates the dreamers from the doers, a test of character as much as it is of footballing ability. The club understands the importance of acclimating young players to the unique pressures of playing at the Emirates. Academy prospects often get the opportunity to participate in pre-match training sessions on the pitch, allowing them to soak in the atmosphere and get comfortable with their surroundings. Sometimes, they're even given the chance to experience a match day from the sidelines, sitting in the dugout alongside the first team and witnessing firsthand the intensity and passion that comes with playing for Arsenal Football Club. These experiences are invaluable, providing a glimpse into the future these young players are striving for. It's a reminder that with hard work, dedication, and a little bit of luck, they too could one day be living their dream on the hallowed turf of the Emirates Stadium. Chapter 5: Arsenal Soccer Schools, Spreading the Arsenal Gospel. The reach of Arsenal's youth development program extends far beyond the streets of North London, reaching every corner of the globe through their network of Arsenal soccer schools. Imagine young footballers from diverse backgrounds, united by their love for the beautiful game and their desire to learn the Arsenal way. These soccer schools aren't just about finding the next Thierry Henry or Patrick Vieira. They're about instilling the values of teamwork, sportsmanship, and respect in young people from all walks of life. It's about using the power of football to make a positive impact on communities around the world. From summer camps to year-round training programs, Arsenal soccer schools provide young players with an opportunity to develop their skills under the guidance of qualified coaches trained in the Arsenal methodology. They get to learn the same techniques and tactics employed by the first team, experiencing firsthand the club's commitment to attacking, possession-based football. But Arsenal soccer schools offer more than just technical and tactical training. They provide a platform for personal growth, helping young people develop their confidence, leadership skills, and social skills in a fun and engaging environment. It's about nurturing well-rounded individuals as much as it is about developing talented footballers. The impact of Arsenal soccer schools can be felt in communities around the world, as young people from all backgrounds come together to share their passion for the beautiful game. It's a testament to the unifying power of football and the club's commitment to making a positive difference in the world. Outro: the future of Arsenal. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content about your favorite football clubs. From the state-of-the-art facilities of the Arsenal Academy to the electrifying atmosphere of the Emirates Stadium, we've explored the key locations where Arsenal FC cultivates its footballing future. These locations are more than just places. They're symbols of the club's unwavering commitment to youth development, its dedication to nurturing talent, and its belief in the power of football to inspire and unite. Who knows what the future holds for these young talents? One thing's for sure, the future of Arsenal Football Club is bright, and it's being shaped right now on the training pitches and in the classrooms of these 5 talent hotspots.